Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here. Hopefully you are doing well. In today's video, I want to talk about the affiliate marketing versus network marketing. In particular, which business model should you get started with when you are looking to build an online business? This is something that a lot of people, they tend to question on. They are looking to start an online business, but they're not sure which business model to get started in. So I'm going to just say right off the bat, both business models are great. I think they are great ways of really building an online business. I've seen a lot of people have success in affiliate marketing, and I've seen a lot of people have success in network marketing. But ultimately, which business model should you get started with? So I'm going to share my personal opinion at the end of the video, but I'm going to explain the differences between affiliate marketing and network marketing. So affiliate marketing typically is online. So there's a lot of affiliate programs that you could sign up for. Amazon has an affiliate program. You could sign up for that on their website. At the bottom, you can get started for free, and you could promote all the products. And whenever someone buys one of those products, you can get paid a commission. There's other marketplaces like ClickBank and JVZoo that you can become a part of. And most of these affiliate programs, they have digital products. So aside from Amazon, most of the affiliate programs that you will see out there, they mainly have digital products, which is something that I personally recommend if you're getting started with affiliate marketing. You go with digital products because those products typically tend to pay a higher commission rate, so it's much easier to really, build a sustainable income if you're promoting digital products. So that's what I personally recommend if you're doing affiliate marketing. So that's a really great business model to get started with. It's probably, in my opinion, the simplest way to really make money online is you take someone else's product and you sell it to your audience. So this is, you don't have to create any products yourself. You don't have to deal with any inventory or anything like that. This is just something where you help others sell their products, and then you would earn part of the profit. So very simple way to get started online. I think it's a really great way to get started with making money online. And the benefit with this is that if you could really do well with it, it's something that it can be very lucrative. I've seen a lot of people make huge income online. They've had huge success with affiliate marketing. So I think that is a really great way to get started. But there's also network marketing, and network marketing has been around since the 1950s, I believe. So there's companies like Amway, there's Herbalife, there is Avon, there's I think Venma's another one. There's Beachbody, I believe, and there's Enagic. There's a whole bunch of companies that you could align yourself with, and these typically have physical products that you could promote. So you sign up to their program, and then you'd have to actually test out their products themselves yourself. And if it's a product that you like, you may consider promoting that. So similar to affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products, and then you get paid part of the commission when someone actually buys into the product. Now, here's the major difference between affiliate marketing and network marketing. Affiliate marketing is generally about selling other people's products, whereas network marketing, it's pretty much that same thing, except you are not only selling that product, but people are also buying into the actual business opportunity. So when someone buys a product, they have the opportunity to resell that product over and over again. And as when you get paid, that commission when someone actually buys, the product, they could also promote the product as well, and then you get paid part of the commission that they make as well. So it's kind of has like that sort of like pyramid shape. A lot of people, they tend to call it a pyramid scheme, but ultimately there is a difference between a legitimate network marketing company and an actual pyramid scheme. So to really make sure that if you decide to get into network marketing, there's legitimate companies that have actual products that are good, and then there's one that they just focus on the money. And that's something that you definitely want to avoid if you're getting into network marketing or any sort of business opportunity. Is you really want to make sure that there is an actual product that is being sold for you to really get into network marketing, because without a product, it's pretty much like you're just selling air. You know what I mean? And companies like that, they typically don't last. So you definitely want to recommend that there is a good product involved, And if you can, become a product of the product, you feel like it really helps you, and you feel like it could really help a lot of other people, then it is something that you could really promote to an audience. So similar to affiliate marketing, it's pretty much the same, except you are not just selling a product, but you're also focusing on recruiting a team. And that brings me to the next part of this, is that, while network marketing can usually be more lucrative in the long run, the downside to it, especially if you're first getting started, is you will have to actually train your team members that decide to buy the products from you. So you have to train them in order to really duplicate what it is that you've been doing to, get them to buy. Because a lot of people, I'd say, 95% at least, of people in, starting an online business, they really fail to get the results that, that they're looking for. Very few people actually manage to make a full-time income, through online marketing. And that's one of the major downsides. So you really have to you really have to pick wisely in terms of who it is you buy the products from. A lot of people, they tend to think that if you join a network marketing company, that it's going to be, the way out of, your job, and it's going to allow you to create a full-time income online. But understand that regardless of what network marketing company you are a part of, regardless of the compensation plan or the product or the service, in order to really do well with any network marketing company, you have to learn how to actually market online. You have to learn how to influence someone to want to buy that product, because if you can't learn how to do that, then, it doesn't matter how good the product is, because you need to learn how to actually market online. So for most people, I'd say, that are just getting started, I would highly recommend that you start with affiliate marketing, because affiliate marketing, you have to actually, with the network marketing, you have to actually train people. Whereas affiliate marketing, if you're just getting started, it's something where the company or the product, if they have training, that's usually, they will usually take care of the training part for you. So that is the major benefit with affiliate marketing. It's very simple. You just focus on promoting the products themselves. And one other downside to network marketing is that a lot of the older companies, I'd say like Amway and Herbalife, they are still teaching old school methods. So like I mentioned, a lot of these companies have been around since, before the internet. And because of that, they are teaching old school methods, like actually, recruiting your friends and family, or convincing strangers out in the street, convincing people that, tend to, walking through here, anyone with a pulse, hey, do you want to buy this product here? That's, I'd say, one of the biggest downsides to network marketing, is a lot of companies are still focusing on this old school model, when there's ways of how you could really promote these products online. So I recommend that if you are looking to get started, you don't just focus on, sorry, there's like vehicles honking near me, but you don't just focus on learning to, recruit, in person, but rather online. So I highly recommend you learn how to do this efficiently, market online. And if you'd like to learn more about how you could start building an online business, and you want to learn how to, effectively market online, there will be a link in the description where you can get access to my free webinar. That'll show you how to start, building a business online properly. It'll show you how to market pretty much whatever it is that you want to really market. And, if you find that valuable, you could decide to use that strategy. It's very good with, giving a clear direction on how to really market online. So be sure to check that out, see if it's for you, and let me know in the comments what you thought of this video. Did you find this helpful? If you did, be sure to let me know in the comments. Share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit, and take care.